What is it about that flat bread layered with juicy tomato sauce and topped with mozzarella cheese? Hello everyone. I don't know how I thought of this video idea. So pizza. Everyone loves pizza. Ask the dude sitting next to you what his favorite food is. Pizza. Ask the dog what his favorite food is. Woof. Ask the random cashier at a supermarket what her favorite food is. Sushi. Okay, maybe not that lady. Anyways, research shows that in America, more than 40% of the population eat pizza regularly. I tried searching for the entire world's statistic on pizza, but I was unsuccessful. Anyways, more than 40% love pizza, but only 12% of people like pineapple on pizza. That's right, I said it. The forbidden combination of fruit on a pizza. I personally love them. They're probably my favorite of all pizza flavors. Okay, before you come at me for my personal pizza flavor preference, here's a little background on pineapples on pizza. So in around 1954, a guy named Sam and his brothers emigrated to Canada from Greece and invented the pizza by putting canned pineapples on pizza. Yeah, you heard that right. Canned pineapples. I thought they used fresh ones. Oh my god. Anyways, soon it got famous, blah blah blah. But the question is, why do people dislike pineapples on pizza? There are way worse pizza flavors in my opinion, such as artichoke pizzas, olives, anchovies. Despite the name Hawaiian pizza, the pizza has no relation to Hawaii, except that maybe pineapples are a tropical fruit. I mean, I guess everyone has their preferences. I think the main point is that fruits don't normally go on savory foods, especially something as sweet as pineapple. I mean, some people hate fruitcakes. Pineapple on pizza is kinda like pineapple on bread. Kinda. And I think people usually don't want to eat things that are unusual or unpopular. Some of the haters probably just pretend to hate pineapples on pizza, even though they've never tried it, just to side with the majority. Anyways, if you like pineapples on pizza, I think you're cool. In all seriousness though, wait, when am I serious? Tell me your thoughts in the comments below. And subscribe, share this video. I cannot talk. Subscribe, share this video with your friends. Don't forget to tap the like button, and I'll see y'all next time. Okay, bye!